Hi everyone, Brigitte Farah here from MetSoc. I hope you all enjoyed COM Copper 2019. If you weren't there, here are some of the latest events that took place since then. We have new members on the board. Firstly, we have a new president, Dr. Edouard Asselin of the University of British Columbia. He started as a student with us and occupied various positions on the board. So this is a lesson to all you students. Stick with your professional society. It can open a wide variety of opportunities. Also joining us is Janice Zink of CanMet. She's also the former CIM president and will be the host of COM 2022. Daniel Brozig is joining us from Gas Cleaning Technologies, and he'll be the new business development chair. MetSoc also worked on its strategic plan at COM, and one of the things we did is unveil a new vision. The vision of MetSoc is that we're a vibrant, diverse community of materials and metallurgy professionals leading in environmental stewardship, value creation, and social responsibility. Like it, we do, and we hope you think it represents what you think a MetSoc member is. A large welcome to all our new 400 members that joined us from Copper 2019. We hope you take advantage of all the benefits CIM has to offer, such as the M-Link, the technical library, and so on. And if you haven't seen it, one of the new benefits is the Metallurgical Processing News Bulletin. This is a newsletter that will come out every 2 to 3 months. If you haven't seen it, check it out on our website. Thank you for watching.